We're here at Google I/O looking at the Google Pixel Fold, Google's first foldable phone, and it's available for pre-order right now. Let's go take our first look. The one thing you're going to notice right off the bat is that the front display is wider than what you'll find on the Galaxy Z Fold. It's a little bit smaller, it's 5.8 inches versus 6.2. When it comes to things like typing, it feels more natural, and I actually prefer this wider aspect ratio. With the Z Fold, it's a little more claustrophobic. So to get the most out of the large 7.6-inch display, there is a split screen mode on the Pixel Fold. I'm in my gallery on the right here, Messages app on the left. I just open the photo, I click and hold, I bring it over, I drag it in, and you see that it's ready to send. The other thing you really need to know about the Pixel Fold's design is that they say it's the thinnest foldable on the market at 0.2 inches. When it comes to the bezels, they're a little bit on the thick side, and the crease is definitely noticeable here, but the hinge itself feels really solid. And I like the fact that when you fold the phone closed, it's actually, pretty flat. You're not seeing any seams or gaps where stuff can get in. And it is IPX8 water resistant. So one of the benefits of the Pixel Fold is that Google is working with third-party developers to optimize their apps, especially for the tabletop mode. So in this case, you just fold the device. You'll see that the video goes up here. You have other information down on the bottom of the screen. If I go to place this down, I could still be following the workout without having to worry about my device falling down. Right now we're testing out the cameras on the Pixel Fold, and it has a main sensor that's 48 megapixels, but we also have the option of zooming in because it has a 5x zoom as well, and get in much more closely if I want to, or more close than she wants. But the idea is that you can go in 5x. Overall, I'm impressed with the Google Pixel Fold so far. I like the wide front display, how thin this device is. Really excited to see how good the cameras are, but we're gonna have to see if it's worth that $17.99, especially when it comes to battery life. And I'm also a little bit worried about the crease and the bezels. Stay tuned for our full review of the Pixel Fold, and be sure to follow us at Tom's Guide on YouTube, TikTok, and more. I'm Mark Spoonauer, and I'll see you in the next video.
Thank you, and enjoy the rest of our